I think, what we're able to do is show multiple applications from multiple suppliers around the globe, both in Asia, where the battery business really started, to here in the US and what's going on in Europe. So our suppliers are global, our reach is global, so they can see battery components that have commercialized all over, the world. And then again, as I said earlier, have access to products and technologies that have already been used in these applications. And, just again, access to those companies through AMCO Polymers.
In addition to the access to our partners and all their expertise and their applications, we're different than many distributors, as I've said before. Not only do we have the most diverse line card, we have the biggest and best manufacturing resin partners in industry. We manufacture and compound our own line of products. We have a full application development team, and we work with our customers to develop the materials to fit their needs. So it's, again, like I mentioned earlier, we're not just a menu of resins. We bring the full service, and if we don't have something that fits your needs, we'll develop it either in-house or with our partners by our side. Okay, I'll just say, with this being an emerging market, the needs of the materials are constantly evolving. So having a partner that not only distributes, but will work with you on the development of the material is key. Throughout the battery system, there are several product families. Our diverse line card, covers all these materials. And we're also a stocking distributor, which many distributors don't do anymore. We have over 80 warehouses across North America. So molders, especially those with multiple locations, really benefit from the things we can bring. Go ahead, Bob.
Yeah, I would just add to this. We were with a customer just last week, and what that person came to the realization is if I work with AMCO Polymers, I have access to 8 or 10 different manufacturers out there, their application technology, their products, and there's a distribution, logistics strategy that I can create with AMCO. I basically can make one phone call and have everything in that whole cycle handled by one company, which simplifies their life. And also the fact that, when you look at the most economical way to provide the most robust solutions, that was the conclusion they came to.
And that was a customer that started out our conversation saying, look, you guys, I'm looking at reducing my supply chain, not adding to it. So I don't know what you can bring that's going to change my mind. But we talked about our business development model, and he put that together and repeated it back to us that really, you guys can help me reduce my supply chain, because instead of talking to these 8 companies, I could be talking to you and getting everything through you. So it really was a great plus.
Again, it goes back to what we were talking about earlier, Bruce, was with regards to communication. So, we're in there talking to our customers every day. We're talking to our suppliers. We're finding out where the bumps are, where the critical needs are, and we're going and finding a creative solution, to solve, those issues. And I think that, it's not anything unique. It's just that we have the discipline and the desire. We have weekly calls with our manufacturing and product management teams, and just make sure that we understand as an organization what's going on in the marketplace. So just the communication at all spectrums, at the customer level, internally with our own teams that have an effect on making those issues go away or be solved. And it's just a great stream that we've put together and I have as a corporate culture and strategy to try to help our customers through this.
Bob mentioned it. Communication is the key for sure. We do have options. We always encourage people to be dual specified, consider onshore and offshore products, consider alternatives to current products that you're using. And we bring a lot of those options. I think it's always important to have options. So we have significant knowledge. We're good at managing through critical times. We have both on and offshore materials. And again, a lot of options available.
Yeah, so we're very excited to have both Covestro and Savic going to be giving daily presentations at 10 and 2 o'clock each day at the battery show. And it's going to be a 20 to 30 minute presentation about products and more importantly, application technology and how their solutions can help solve issues or meet performance requirements for EV battery applications. They'll stick around afterwards and answer questions. But the fact, again, that we have access directly with, the key technical people for EV batteries in both of those companies at our booth at the show, again, shows how we're different in the value add that we can bring, to our customers in this marketplace.
And the venue that we're doing it in, there's going to be basically all the EV experts in the field in that location, talking about their latest developments and materials, talking about the latest challenges, the latest advancements. I'm really looking forward to some really good discussion around those presentations with the people that are going to be at the show.